Introducing Optimum No Rinse Hyperfoam, the next evolution of the original revolutionary rinseless car wash O&R. Now with the power of foam, it's the most versatile cleaning for all your car washing needs. The Hyperfoam combines our polymer-based no-rinse formula with foaming surfactants, giving you the flexibility to use it as a rinseless wash, car wash, or soap replacement. Whether you're using it as a foaming pre-wash, with a bucket, foam cannon, or sprayer, Hyperfoam makes cleaning effortless, leaving no residue and a protection behind. It's the perfect prep for applying products like an Optimum Opti-Seal. This product is safe for all exterior and interior surfaces. Use it on paint, glass, plastics, and even interior trim without worry. Its ultra-clean finish ensures your surfaces are spotless and ready for any protection products. It has a very easy dilution ratio that you can customize with different applications. For instance, 1 ounce per 2 gallons for a car wash, 4 ounces and 32 for a foam cannon, 8 ounces per gallon for a waterless wash, and 6 ounces per gallon for glass, interior, or even home use. After applying the foam, wash each section with the Optimum Big Red Sponge and dry it with an Optimum microfiber towel for those professional grade results. From cars, motorcycles, boats, and motorhomes, Hyperfoam is the go-to solution trusted by professionals for fast, safe, and effective rinseless car washing. So upgrade your washing routine with Optimum No Rinse Hyperfoam, the original rinseless wash, now with foam. Wash smarter, shine brighter.